Today, the subject proposed is board approval is required to sanction of rupees 15 crores and capex to buy a Swiss-make machine as a replacement for a running machine. As all of you know that the present position is that current machine produces 100 bottles per minute, and the proposed machine of Swiss-make produces around 200 bottles per minute. And the present market share of our company at present is 25%, and the current financial position, as all of you know, that is excellent condition, excellent position, and as we expect that competition status is stiff in the market, still we maintain market share. So on this point, particularly purchase new machinery, I would like all of you to discuss, and let us take a decision on this issue. I welcome all the members to contribute your thinking on this.
Say that at the moment we have the machines which produce plastic bottles, and there is a stiff competition in this segment because it has become a commodity and there is not much which we can differentiate in the market other than our brand value, and that's why we have 25% competition. And one of the machines is about to be scrapped, so we are planning to buy a new machine which will be producing 200 bottles instead of 100, and instead of plastic it will also produce the biodegradable market.
And we are of the opinion that the existing labor will be able to manage the increase in capacity and all that, and we have also taken opinion from the consultants, and we have supporting documents too.
That we've been granted a foreign currency loan of 15 crores by the bank. It's a Swiss franc loan which is at 4%. With the hedging cost of about 2.5%, we expect the total cost of the loan to be 7%, which is well below what we are paying for our existing term loans of about 12 to 13%. As a result of this replacement of the new machine with the old machine, we have also taken trouble to see whether we could sell the second our existing machine, and we've got an offer from Bangladesh and not from India that they would buy this machine at around $1 million, which is around 6.2 crores. So the actual differential, we will be buying this machine at 9 crores. And
please, with permission to share this small elaboration in your viewpoint that you said, what is that 2.5% you are getting?
Hedging costs.
Hedging costs.
Annual hedging costs. Annual hedging costs. So 6.5%, which is.
From what I understood about this motion, it seems like we are buying a new machine. But from what you guys are explaining, it seems like you are changing the product mix itself. Or you are only replacing one machine. Likely that you have other machines which are producing the same old bottles, and now you are buying these biodegradable whatever, and you are producing the new product in the market. That makes it, the quality of the decision entirely different, because we need to think about other factors. If you guys are going to go to a new line of business, though it is a brand extension I believe, but it is a new product you are introducing, and it is not simply a capex replacing a machine kind of issue that you have presented here.
So the methods of improving or retrofitting the existing machine has been explored. Is there any case detail or inputs related to that?
Because can I have a basic question?
Yeah.
You have 25% market share. You have 100 but machine manufacturing 100. You told me that another 100 is there. So your manufacturing capacity is 200. Total market share itself is only 400. The whole market is 400. Whether it is old bottle or new bottle, any bottle is 100. So your market share is 25%. Yes. Your manufacturing capacity is 100 per minute. So your 25% market share converts itself into 400.
Was mentioning that the raw material cost is going to come down by 10% and EBITDA is going to go up by 25%.
On the other hand, we are getting the input that the cost of bottle is going to increase by 25%.
No, he's saying
Where
the
does
selling
this-
price is going to
So he was inquiring about cost. He was not inquiring about selling price.
cost.
Please clarify.
Okay, I was talking about the selling price. That's why we increase the margins also. The cost we need to check and we'll
So
get
because
back.
the question is, when the plastic bottles are currently available, is the market ready to pay the 25% premium? That is A. And is there any marketing expense which is to be incurred? Whether do you have a marketing budget to that? Because now that plastic bottle is still not banned as per your statement. It
Yes.
may be banned in the future.
And then reducing your throughput in that segment and giving an alternate product. So can we keep the capex cost? Like I am going back to my original
One
questions of-
machine is
No, no,
still
one
running.
one minute. I am going back to the original argument of can we explore a possibility of keeping the capex cost less and then refurbishing the existing machine so that you start selling in the existing market with an alternate product, slowly increase your capacity, then look forward to invest in this machine little later.
Capex expenditure alone. Even if you go to market and you say, no, I am introducing a new biodegradable bottle which has never been done in India before. You have to educate your customers, maybe you have to change your branding, marketing, collateral, everything. Can you guys not present what impact this has? If it was purely a machine to machine replacement, but you are not changing the product, then this proposal is okay.
Add it as an extra capacity and rework your financial and resubmit in the next board for approval.
I just add to this one. I think the matter is being placed in this board meeting on a simplistic manner.
Exactly.
This company is an innovation. You are talking of innovation, change in the product itself.
Because
wherein
of the
the
market.
old products are going to go. You are going to. This is a serious issue. It's an innovation. You are bringing in a new product which is a biodegradable product, which is going to dominate.
In respect to the financing, my friend CFO put up the note saying that bankers are willing to fund against collateral of the movable assets. Then he also said that we are going to get a buyer's credit for long 10 years. Buyer's credit for 10 years first not available. That for long period. Second thing, keeping the hedging cost at 7% and 4% interest rate comes to 11%. And
No, sir. Swiss franc loans are 4%.
loan is 4%, but hedging cost is 7%.
No.
Then what is the hedging cost?
On this issue, so that we can come to a conclusion whether we can go straight away or else we require anything else. Then afterwards, after voting, we will decide for further course of action.
You can defer it and with greater detail analysis it can be presented in the next board.
Because I would like to make a humble submission to the chair.